Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chart. You tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow compadre speaking. BTC is looking interesting right now. I want to go over two simple levels that the market needs to get above in order to show real strength in this market. I realize it's a slightly green day, but I have some interesting news for you. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, consider joining us. No fundamentals, just price action. So let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's May the 4th, 2021, and the current price of BTC is going to be $54,411.53. It's up approximately 2.2% for the day. Okay. All right, welcome back, everyone. ASMR Interesting Analysis. So here's the two only lines that I'm paying attention to in the BTC price. That's it. Super simple. Ladies and gentlemen, the first level is going to be $57,600. Let me just kind of further show you that this is not something that we're pulling out of our rear here. Here's a video that we posted March the 24th, 2021, saying that Bitcoin $57,600 challenge continues. And again, that was like March the 24th. And here we are once again. If you notice on the price action here, the market just recently got rejected from none other than the $57,600 level right here at the green line. So it's a huge, I'm not gonna say it's a huge challenge. So far, BTC has been showing signs that it does not want to proceed higher than $57,600 for now. Okay, what we must understand is when/if the market gets above $57,600, it's really simple what must take place next in order to show strength in the market. $63,800 is the highest level in terms of the candles, bodies on the daily candles here. It needs to break above that level and get, I guess, significantly higher, or at least like, a couple $1,000s higher than that level in order to show that the market is mature and it is ready to make a higher high. Because if you're new here, that's all we look for, guys. Super simple. Support, resistance, and patterns. Higher highs and higher lows to verify an uptrend, and vice versa to verify a downtrend. So right now, the markets, although it did make a lower low, okay, that one thing that I did notice is that in comparison to this low, I think we went over this on our last video. We'll go over it really quickly here again. Thank you for your time. March the 25th, 2021, 51,000, and then the market made a lower low, okay, 49,000 at about April the 25th. Now, this is the highest point, and so far, yeah, BTC just made a lower high. Well, this isn't set in stone just yet. The market still has the opportunity, because this is a daily developing candle here, okay, that we're actively up against right now, this daily candle right about here, okay? So it really needs to like get above 57.6. Yeah, it needs to show strength because it's continuing to get rejected at 57.6, and I mean it's not really showing that very aggressive strength that I would like to see in order for the market to truly propel to the upside. Right now, it's up against the highest point. Again, it has not been accomplished just yet. And yeah, we have to give this price action some time. Let me leave you guys out with some levels. I know you guys come out for the levels. So I'm going to say this. You already have the two most important levels. Yes, 57.6. Okay, we don't even have to worry about 63.8 for now. I mean, you obviously know that's the highest level that it needs to go to make a higher high. Let me just give you guys a range really quickly here. So from the daily candle, this is super simple, guys. If you pull up your charts, it's so easy to see. It's not complicated. Right there at about $53,167. We're taking a look at the Coinbase chart. So that would be the current range that I have to leave you guys out with. If we look at the 12 hours, see if we can see anything a little bit better. 12 hours there. Okay, cool. So nothing like spectacular or different, like, substantially, right? So that's the levels, guys. 53,166, and of course the one level that I've been preaching for some time, 57.6. We'd have to give this another 48 hours. So like, let's just say that it does not break above that level within the next 12 to 24 hours. That's fine. Let's just give it like 48 hours to at least see if we can get a test or an obliteration of that level, and then just kind of take the price action from there. But so far, if we just kind of zoom out, guys, I can't make that up. BTC is looking vulnerable a little bit. Okay, I don't mean to tick off the bulls, but I'm just going by what I see, guys. And so far, technically speaking, this is a lower high. So I mean, we're dealing with a low, a high, a lower low, and then a lower high. I can't make that up. I mean, that's where we are right now, assuming that the market does not get above 57.6. I just said that a few times. So yeah, that's where we are with it, guys. Just take a simple approach. Right now, BTC, it's showing signs of weakness, kind of, okay? I think the market sellers, they're trying to simply do what I've already explained a few times. They're trying to push the price down to $38,000 to reset everything so that the market will have a sufficient amount of aggressive buying momentum and then, of course, propel the price significantly higher. Okay, I truly think that the market is setting up to reach very substantial higher levels. That's the $38,000 level right down there. How quickly? That's not guaranteed to happen, guys. So seriously, I mean, but if it does happen from the current level, it's about 30% to the downside, and from the highs, I think we've already measured it. From the highs to that level, it's like 40% down. So that's normal. It's at 41% to the downside. That is normal in a bull market. BTC is in a beautiful bull market. So don't fight the trend. Okay, trend is your friend until the end. Okay, I don't think this is the end of the trend because there's no substantial blow off top to stop BTC right now. So I truly think that after all of this, I'm going to consider all of this just kind of, consolidating, right? The ups and downs, the ebbs and the flows. After all of this up and down is done, the market will move substantially higher. I mean, we could just say a conservative price target, like let's just say $70,000. I mean, that's like, I don't even think that'd be an issue for BTC, but it has to get out all the kinks. Right now, it's up against some interesting price activity where the sellers, they're relentless and they're like, listen, man, we're going to close these sell orders below it, whether you like it or not. We're going to close those orders down below. Again, it doesn't have to get all the way down to 38,000, but there's a specific target that they're trying to push it down to that they haven't done it just yet. And we have to just wait and see. Maybe some sort of ABC correction. So A, B, C, I don't know, correction. All right, so let's see how this plays out. 57.6, and you have the level just below it, 53.161. That's all, folks. Thanks for stopping out. And if you're new here, before you go, I'd like to offer you more information. If you can kindly subscribe with us and hit the bell. The alternative markets, if you're into stocks, we cover that throughout the week, 7 days. Kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll love to share that information with you when it is available. Okay, we'll send it to you. So once again, thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio by executing your strategies in the market before you enter, okay? We'll talk soon. It's been a pleasure, and bye for now.